So here we all are, sitting in the waiting room, reading the same articles over and over again, expecting a different outcome. But it's all there on the printed page. Hangman, the boatman, the fucking man. Sacrifice, stagnation, servitude. Funny thing about the afterlife is that there's no life in it. None at all. Nothing ever changes. No promise. None unless you kneel. You're at the gate, you see the lock, but he's the only one with a fucking key.
I'll get it.
Better you than me.
My name is Alan Amato, the writer of Punch, and I'd like to welcome you to Punch Second Coming. This book is the continuation of the story we began in issue 1. We open with the celestial bar brawl between the many gods and the one. The hounds of heaven battle for the soul of a cursed priest, a broken man who may yet decide the fate of all. Issues 1 and 2 are available as rewards, as well as the Black Guilt limited edition that spans them both. Each panel is hand-painted by Jonathan Marks Barvecchio, with covers by David Mack and Jason Sean Alexander, plus original art, archival prints, and a badass tarot coaster set to protect your hallowed surfaces from moisture of every kind. So grab an oar and climb aboard Chiron's ferry. Let's finish this voyage together.